So obviously, I've known Evan my entire life. We're 2.5 years apart. I would call you more of a brother than a cousin. We're that close. No, I think some of the fondest memories I have with Evan is when we were adolescents and spending time at Grandma and Grandpa Adelizi's house.
The only difference I see between the two is that she's timely and he's not.
But I love that about Evan, though. He spends more time than anyone I know reading about history and politics and current events, even sports nowadays, thanks to me. But Evan is also one of the most caring and thoughtful guys I know, and sometimes it's to a point where it's actually really annoying how thoughtful you are. Anyone, I'm sure, can attest to that. So, but he's always willing to lend a favor. He'd pick up anyone from the airport. But the thing is, his friends would do the same thing for him. We would drop anything to take care of him. No, he's a true gentleman, and all of us, his close friends and family, have the utmost respect for him. And I would say, even though I'm the older one, in many ways, I look up to you. You know, I'm still getting to know Danny, but there's one thing that I do know is not only are you beautiful today, you're sweet, you're kind, you're caring, and you're the best thing that's ever happened to Evan. And I think you make him a better person. And if everyone would please raise their glasses, I want to cheers to the newlyweds, Evan and Danny.